Hello, welcome. This is Peppery's Creations. We are going to do another trending slippers, and trust me, it's very beautiful. The items we are going to use, we are using our bead, we are using the black, and we use the gold bead to do some small decoration on top of our bead. I'm using the fishing line, the size 0.5 to do the weaving, and the 0.35 to do the sewing. I have my slippers. This is the shape I'm using. I've already done a video on this kind of slipper. So if you are new to my channel and you are watching us for the first time, the link on how to do this shape will be in the description. Kindly click on it and learn how to do it, then you continue with this style. Let's get started. I use the satin ribbon to do the wrapping of the handles. I've already cut and wrapped them because I've done a video on that before, so we are not going to waste time on that. Let's go straight to our main video. It's very simple, very simple. We are working with a 4/4 bead, so you pick 4. And I say 4/4, I hope you know what I'm saying. See, there are some of the designs we use 3, some we use 6, some we use 1. With this we are using 4. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. If you are an old subscriber, you are welcome to today's video. Don't forget to watch the videos. Don't just watch them. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I want to appreciate all my subscribers. We've been able to reach 2.4k subscribers. We are aiming high. We want to hit 3k subscribers before the end of the year. So please share for your loved ones, share for your family, for them to also benefit. The whole length is 25. We are coming to work on the middle part, so you count 12 on your left, 12 on your right. Then you would fix the fishing line on the 13th bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you would fix your fishing line there. Then we will do another strand. We are doing something like a T. Then we will just beautify it small. It's a very simple slippers. We are sewing it first before we will add the garnishing part to it. You have to secure your because of what we want to do. We are not cutting the excess fishing lines. We are leaving it. So we are seeing it zigzag. It pass here, you sew here, pass through here, you sew here. In that order. So this is the first part. We are now coming to beautify it. So you would pick we are securing the fishing line first. So it's now tight. You pick one of these and it goes this way. You go this way. You skip a bead, then you move to the next one. Go this direction. Cut this one too. But we are not done yet. This is the second step. we are coming to secure some bead on both sides, and we are done. First of all, you would have to secure the fishing line on the thread. Then you do away with the excess. Then the fishing line will pass through there. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's inside out. Then you would pick 14 of the black bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then it will come here. You count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it goes. This is how it's supposed to be. So you leave about 2 beads. So you would go like this. We are securing the bead. So you leave 1, 2, 3. Three beads. Then you'd pick 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you leave about 1, 2, 3. Then you fix it on there. So this is how it's going to be. Then you would pass your thread through this. Then you repeat on the other side. It comes on top. Then you pick 10 beads. Our slippers is almost ready. We are securing our fishing line. These are slippers. Simple but nice and sleek. I hope you've really enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Continue sharing my videos. Continue to like the videos. Leave your comments in the section below. Thank you for watching once again. Bye bye.